Early in his career, probably my favorite Gordon Lightfoot song called Early Morning Rain. In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand, with an aching in my heart, my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home, I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go. Out on runway number 9, big 707 set to go. But I'm stuck here in the grass with a pain that ever grows. Now the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. And there she goes, my friend, she's rolling down the glass. Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver wing on high. She's away in westward bound, far above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down. It's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, as cold and drunk as I can be. You can't jump a jet plane like you can an old freight train, so I best be on my way in the early morning rain. You can't jump on a jet plane like you can an old freight train, so I best be on my way in the early morning rain.